carpetbagger.
Plantation? Are you from the South?
I'm not only from it, sir. I'm in it.
Well, shut my fat old mouth and stuff me with chitlins. I'm from the South, too. I'll tell you what, I'll be your little old dog, and you all can be my little old master. Agreed, sir? Well, yuck, 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 and a fiddle-dee-dee. That's settled. You all.
Oh, Belvedere, come here, boy. What is the meaning of this, sir? You invite me into your home, then you insult me by having that dog around. I tell you, sir, this is too much. Either he goes, or either I go.